Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Forerunner watch, pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Garmin Forerunner watch and locating the quick start guide. Charge your watch fully before first use to ensure optimal performance. Download the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store. Create a Garmin account or log in if you already have one. Once the app is open, follow the on-screen instructions to pair your watch with your smartphone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for a smooth connection. Select your watch model when prompted in the app. Follow the instructions on your watch to confirm the pairing process. Set your preferred language on the watch during the initial setup. Adjust the time and date settings to reflect your local time zone. Customize your activity profiles by selecting the sports you plan to track. Sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app to transfer any updates available. Explore the watch interface to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. Personalize your watch face through the app or directly from the watch. Set up notifications to stay connected while you run or train. Schedule any specific workouts or training plans you want to follow. Take a moment to review your personal health data, such as steps and sleep tracking. Ensure you adjust your privacy settings in the app to your comfort level. Prepare your watch for your first workout by selecting your activity and hitting start. After finishing your workout, sync your watch again to review your performance metrics. Continue exploring the app for additional features like challenges and community interactions. Remember to regularly update your watch to access new functionalities and improvements. Now you're all set to make the most of your Garmin Forerunner watch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.